Welcome back to the Life Tube, where you can learn the secrets of makeup pros and pick up some of the tips and tricks that insiders use. Let's hop on to our makeup tutorial train and learn how to make a kissed lips effect, a very fashionable and sexy look. Step 1. Use your lip brush and lip pencil together. This helps with even coverage of the lipstick. Remember to pick a natural-looking tone which either matches your lips or is a little bit darker. Remember, when going for a kissed lips effect, there's no place to get creative with colors. Step 2. Gently shade the lipstick using your fingers. Yes, your finger. Fill the lip as accurately as you can. This will add some roundness and plumpness to your lips, the same way long romantic kisses do. Step 3. Using the same lip brush and pencil, carefully draw contours. After all, we do want our lips to stand out, don't we? Step 4. After the contours are done, shade the lipstick once more, this time with quick strokes of the brush. And that's it. Your look is complete. Prepare to catch jealous glances from passers-by. Check out our other videos and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert makeup tips and tricks. See you!